Welcome to this Windows and computer channel. And we have an interesting day because we talked about Windows 10, and I talked about the sets feature that a lot of places have been reporting that it's dead. It's very interesting because the Twitter post that said that sets didn't seem to be something coming soon was not 100%, clear in saying that Sets is dead or not. And there were some reports, and some people saying no, Sets is not dead. But I got a report from Mary Jo Foley, that is a Microsoft, journalist blogger, that she knows a lot of stuff, and she actually asked the questions of Sets and what's going to happen. Well, Sets is apparently dead, and it's dead for good. And it's interesting because Sets was a feature where you could have different applications open up as tabs. So when you would work on a project, you could have the tabs of the different apps required for that project, which was kind of nice. The idea behind it was kind of neat, but the first the response, people using their computers, wasn't very good at sets. A lot of people were kind of not really sure why it existed, and the sets was based on the Microsoft Edge browser and the way that it could actually display tabs, and that's where sets was kind of integrated in a way with Microsoft Edge. Now we have Microsoft Edge Chromium coming, which means that sets would have needed to be rewritten because of the new browser coming. And now they decided, well, if we have a new browser based on Chromium, we have to rewrite all of the code to have sets working. And what's happening internally is that they've kind of decided that it's not worth it, that they don't want to lose their time doing that. So that's why sets is kind of dead, because they need to rewrite it from scratch because of the new Edge Chromium browser coming. So it's interesting because it's a feature was tested a lot. It was tested and kind of mature. In the last versions that were being tested, it started to look good and work well. But it seems that sets is not going to make it. So it's interesting to see the changes on Windows 10. Sets is not going to make it. Cortana is now separate from search, and we're wondering about the future of Cortana itself. Cortana, that did at some point become a good assistant, but that now is actually way behind everybody else, especially the Google Assistant. And so it's interesting to see all of these things that are tested, that are tried, and that finally they're like, well, no, okay, let's not do this. So Sets is apparently dead. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.